Aaron back here with another repair video on the Xbox Series S. Today we'll be replacing the Wi-Fi card that sits on one of the sides here. I don't 100% remember, but once we take it apart, we'll see. And I'll usually do this if a console is not connected to the internet or having any issues with network. So let's hop right in. First things first, you're gonna wanna flip the console on its backside here. There's usually two little covers here. For video purposes, I have taken them off, but they look like this. Little covers, you're gonna just pull them up. I use a flathead to do it. Just be careful not to damage the console itself. Next, you're gonna wanna unscrew these two screws. I am using a T9 bit to unscrew them. So let's hop right in. Once they're done, put them to the side. Try not mixing up the screws. We're gonna pop this off. All you have to do is slide it forward, pop it off. You're exposed now with 6 or 7 green screws. Just unscrew those 7. Put those to the side. You flip the console over one more time. I just pull up on these two and push down. And once I do that, set the top cover to the side. So now we are exposed with all of this. The Wi-Fi card sits right here on the side. It's the only chip that sits on a side. To replace it, you're gonna wanna unscrew these 3 screws. Let me see if I can focus that in better. I just do it from the side here. Just unscrew these 3 screws. Once those 3 screws are out, all you're gonna do is, let's see if I can set it back in there. All you're gonna do is pull straight outwards like that. That's what your card looks like. If you're looking for the part, we may or may not have it listed on our website at the time of the launch of the video, but we eventually will. I will link all the parts in the videos so that you can get your hands on them. And if we're not selling the parts, we are servicing all the units, so I will also link it either right there or in the description below. And if you have any questions, you can comment below and I'll try to help you guys out. I try to respond to all the comments. So you remove this and grab a new one. Now it's all simple. You're gonna press straight back on, down. And you're gonna wanna just screw it back in. You're doing everything in reverse now. All right, now that I got that screwed in, look at the console, make sure everything else looks good. I have repair videos for this, sync button and power button replacement. So if you guys need that, just look it up on our YouTube, or it may be linked in at the end of the video on an end screen. So I'm gonna grab the console. Honestly, I'm gonna try it this way. I haven't done this in a while. Just, you wanna fit the console in, it sets in place, and then you're gonna just grab these 2 ends. Sorry, I didn't show you guys that. So grab these 2 ends. It's pretty flexible plastic. Press that in, make sure it sits in. There's little notches, if I can show you there. A little difficult to show, but there's these little notches. You just want to set this casing in the middle. And then you're gonna want to drop these 7 green screws, the long body screws. You're gonna want to drop that in and screw them all in. So you can just throw this on the bottom cover anywhere you want. It'll usually sit in place. Once you got that, you're just gonna slide it forward. You'll see it all locked in, sealed in. Then you're just gonna wanna drop these 2 back screws back in. Once those are in, you're done with your repair. So for video purposes, I'm not gonna put these back on because I'll be doing more repair videos on this console, but you can put these back on And once they're back on, your console's back and working. If you have any questions about this repair, feel free to comment below, and we'll try to respond to all the comments that are posted on our channel. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and have a great day.